Okay, a couple of things I have learned while I've been doing the fenders. One, the box I got didn't have any instructions in it, and these are rough country fenders, but I did get them from Amazon, so not sure what happened there. In the box, I've had a couple of rough country products, and they normally always have rough country on the packaging. This does not seem to have that. Not saying that they aren't actually rough country sport fender flares. I don't know. They seem to fit. They seem to work. And they've got the stuff. Got 4 fender flares. They're marked which side they go to. Also got the this rubber trim and everything. But I did have to watch a video to see what I was doing because I didn't know what to do with this stuff. And I also didn't know that you don't have to take off the original fender. These will go over top of those. You just need to take out some of these bolts to make it work. I also am not sure what to do with these clips. I think I know. Most of the videos I see are people putting on the Defender series, so I'm kind of using that. Hopefully maybe one day people will use my video for the Sport series or the Sport Fender, because I did not really find anything that was like an in-depth tutorial for putting on the Sport Fender. But anyway, one of the videos I saw said that this was going to be very time consuming and tedious, and he is correct. You can see here, putting it on, taking that adhesive off, and you really have to try to like push it from the back side, as you can see down the edge there, push that to try to get this stick. Hoping for the best on that. Hopefully when it is pressed up against the vehicle, that will also kind of make it seal better. So we'll keep going, see what happens from here. So as you can see, I'm just taking this, pulling that off, and then kind of slowly just kind of rolling my hand, trying to get it as close to that as I can, the edge there. Like I said, it is time consuming. After the first one, you can kind of figure out a method that lets you do it a little bit faster. This is the last one, so let's see how it goes from here. One thing that would help, no criticism, just saying, I wish Rough Country had cut this into 4 strips, because it's kind of, even in the 4 strips, it's still going to kind of wind up as you, or wrap around itself as you're doing it. So, anyway, but yeah, it's coming along. Oh, also, if I can find it, alright, well, anyway, I've been using like a credit card to kind of pushing up under here to help that seal, help it stick. Alright, we're back, and the fenders are on. All 4 on. Rough Country Sport Fender, black matte finish. No problem getting these on. The hardest part is, as I kind of said, getting the rubber gasket or the rubber trim to just, kind of attach properly without what you get here. Some of it's kind of folded in. Hope you can see that with the sun. That's the only issue, is those rubber trim pieces kind of on certain areas have folded in a little bit. But other than that, I think the fenders look good. Obviously, these poke out a little bit more. School kids are getting home. These fenders poke out a little more, so it gives you a little bit, the fender is a little bit over the wheel. Hopefully, at some point when I get some different wheels and different tires, they'll kind of be a little bit more flush. I mean, they almost kind of look even, but they are kind of, the wheels are set in, or the tires are set in maybe about 1 inch. So hopefully getting some different tires and wheels, there'll be a little bit more of a flush line straight down between the fender and the wheel, so they don't kind of look like they're being pushed in, as I think they look a little bit now. But I do like the overall look of them. As we back up, get the full look, and like I said, not hard to put on. Check out the other side over here. And there you go. Rough Country Sport Fenders. Let me know what you think in the comments. I believe you can also get these color matched, but I'm going to assume color matching these is very expensive, as you can do that with other fenders as well. And like I said, I don't really like the bolt-on look that some fenders have. So that's what we got. Rough Country fenders. I like them a lot. I'm going to keep them for a while. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you taking the time. As always, if you could leave a comment and a like, and maybe even subscribe, that would be great. Thanks so much. Kids coming up the way, trying to be nosy, and I am out.